Galiba ağama bir şey yapıştı. Yardım edersiz mi ya? Bilem, men Dülber kuşçuk değilim. Lakin bir zamanları Dülber bir yıldız edim. Işık, motor, çekim.
I was striking, suave, ambitious, fit to beat, super delicious. Now I'm wild, I am villainous, vicious, oh, and malicious. I had it all, a TV show, women too. I was tall, over 1'2". Then they got a pretty parakeet to fill my shoe. That's why I am so evil, why I do what I do.
He was a superstar.
So young and vital.
He's nasty.
A South American idol.
He's a suspicious bird.
Who said that about me?
A very vicious bird.
You rotisserie. I'm a feathery freak with a beak, a bird murderer. You think you're better than me? I never heard of you. I'm evil. I'll fuck your cheese for weevils. I poop on people and I blame it on seagulls. It was him.
He's a nasty bird.
I'm invincible.
He's gassy.
I'm unminsable. I'm unwashable. Unrinsable. Like an abandoned school, I have no principle. All of you resilient birds. 18 million birds. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to make you.
Hani sus! Ne diyorlarım? Seni söyle taşlarım. Hayırsız düşler.
Yaxşı değil, aqay. Qorqinchli, ammo yaxshi değil.